jerk salmon pasta. My wife made that.
Come on, Jizzle. Like 12 minutes round, so this is gonna go for 12 minutes. Y'all ready?
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? It's your boy, Mr. Primetime Lando. You know what it is. 4th of July weekend, right? I wasn't gonna vlog. I said, no, might as well vlog, because I'm sure some exciting things are gonna happen today. Now it's early. I'm kind of whispering. I feel like I'm whispering at least. Everybody's asleep. I can't sleep past 7, really. Barely 6 o'clock. So I'm in the lab, whipping it up. So my famous salmon fried rice was requested, so crank it up on my rice. Rice is done pretty much. I should have cooked this as last night, because fried rice is best when the rice is already cold overnight. And we got a few different things on the menu today, man. I got fish in here, of course. These were all requests. Fried fish going down. Salmon, jerk salmon pasta. You know, seafood we deal with now. I don't know what my wife making. We got, of course, the traditional 4th of July stuff, hot dogs, burgers. Definitely got some veggie burgers for sure. I don't know what else left, man. But we got a lot going on today. Today's gonna be a very exciting day. Today's about to be very exciting, so stay tuned, man. About to get going. I think I'm about to go work out. I don't know if I have enough time to work out, but I'm at least gonna go running real quick. I might have to work out in the garage, you know. Yeah, but stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting, y'all. All right, people. Another week. Jamaica threw me off a little bit as far as my workout. I've been working out every week consistently since December. Went to Jamaica, missed that week, came back, worked out one day, missed last week, and this week, this is my first day working out. That's sad, but Monday I'm back on it. Holiday, you know, holiday anniversary weekend. But right now I'm about to go for a run, quick 3 miles. That's one of my things. I said I'm gonna run at least 3 miles every week, at least that. So that's what we're doing. We're about to go running. I mean, woo, shalom. Oh man, shalom, people. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Oh man, let me tell you something. Get better lighting. How that lighting? That better. 3.1 mile, which is a 5K. I'm gonna run a 5K at the end of this month. This was slow. This is probably my slowest. This is probably my slowest 5K ever. This say 34:07, but I stopped it late because I didn't have my phone to screenshot it. 3.12 and 34:07. I mean, I ran it in 33 point something. It was high though, probably like 40 something. That's slow for me. That's not usually how I run. And I noticed before I went to Jamaica, my 5K was the slowest also. The other day when I came back, I ran it. It was pretty fast actually. But it must be because of all that food I ate yesterday. Let's get to the day. That's for the potato salad. I think that's the noodles. My wife making macaroni and cheese. You know? Macaroni and cheese going down. Okay. Look at that. Look at the back of my truck. Because I've been out the country, my truck have been driven. It rained. Look at that. But in between, this is what we about to do. Light this up. More fire. Burning you. Burning you. Hello, miss.
What do we have here? No, I'm going over there. What's this over here?
What?
What's in it? What's this gonna be?
That is going to be potato salad.
Potato salad. And my guess, macaroni and cheese. All right. People, we doing a potluck today. Everybody bringing a dish. Everybody I bring a dish. We're not the only ones cooking. I'm over here. I just warmed up my grill. Fling jerk salmon pan the grill. It's all gonna come together at the end when you see how we do it. Right? It's all gonna come together. But we do jerk salmon pasta, but we really deal jerk the salmon. I'm the jerker. I'm a jerk.
You are a jerk. Jerk.
She took the bait. Told you. I'm a jerk. Alright. I need some room here. I got it's not fully thought out. Should have this left out, man. This is salmon we eat, people. Yeah. Wild caught. We don't deal with that farm raised stuff. Alright, y'all see. My coal is very hot. It's time. This is the salmon for my fried rice. Yeah, I really do smoke my salmon. This little grill right here. I eat mine. Like that, you know. We'll let that rock out for about 10 minutes. I don't know. No, we just know when to turn it. So it's done. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it so you get that smoke. I do it for that. So it's cooked right now. I just want that smoke flavor inside the salmon. Look, I took the skin off. That was intentional. Watch yourself, because it's about to go. I can't pinpoint what it is. Taste that. Taste it.
We need a big fan.
What's wrong over here?
God, we thank you for the day that we were able to come together, gather, commune with each other, fellowship. God, we thank you that everybody got here safely. We ask and pray that everybody leaves safely and return home. Allow us to be great food, good food, and healthy food. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Everybody dig in.
Time to consume some food, people. What we have here? Potato salad. My wife made that. Jerk salmon pasta. My wife made that. Salmon fried rice. I made that. Meatballs. Shamica's sister made that.
You going to wheat and then okay. So
Macaroni and cheese. Wifey made that. More meatballs. All right. All right, let's go over here.
I don't want no smoke in there.
White rice.
it's on the
What you about to do, Jermaine? Curd goat. What you about to do? Your chicken. It's kind of burnt, right? I didn't make that.
We're working it. We're working it. We're gonna work it up. We're gonna get it popping out here.
More. Up to the camera, Lauren. All right, people. Good food. I got some, of course, some pasta. Some pasta, jerk salmon pasta, macaroni and cheese, potato salad, and of course, some of my good rice. Promise you, my wife made the best jerk pasta, jerk salmon pasta. I think I'm gonna have to go hide that pan. Come on now. Look at this, people. Look at this. Bang, bang. Just know it's gonna be on YouTube later. I'm dropping this tomorrow. Hold on now. Bang, bang. All right. All right. Say something more.
What you say?
Say, what's up, people?
What's up, people?
What's up, people?
Right.
Go ahead with the light show, nephew.
Go ahead, Jizzle.
Get the Fabo. You gonna light it with smoky sparkle?
You gonna light the whole thing with? Okay.
Going with the big one.
You said what? Whole neighborhood came out, people. Hello, y'all look too scared for that. They running, I'm running. Fuck, fuck. Come on, Jizzle. LJ. Turn up. All right, that's it. That look like it's a shoot off. Hey, low key, I wanted to run. Hey, I wanted to run. Low key, I heard that noise. Oh, snap. I low key wanted to run. Dang, we ain't never been in this. Watch this. Neighborhood lit, people. Look over here. We got people everywhere. Neighborhood lit. Leave?
Y'all leave and come right back. Had a great time. You guys could have pulled up. We popped some fireworks, did everything, and you missed out. You did.
Alright. Oh, I ain't saying. I'm over there like good. Neighborhood lit, people. Look at that. Hey, that's it? Okay.
When he done, we just gonna light him up.
I'm gonna drop that drone when he dropped that 12-minute one. Hey! What's up, brother?
Oh, yeah.
You good? Let's go, Jizzle.
Yeah, they got the real shit.
Hey, this is the best we did.
This ain't gonna get off.
Yeah, we ready to pop off. Yeah.
Who power that is? That's ours? That gotta be ours. There's no action on that.
Yeah, that's ours.
I knew it. There's no boom behind it. Boom! It's all right. You know, they got the big dogs. It's okay. We're not tripping. Oh, that's yours. Safari. Okay. It's okay.
All right, let's go. Let's get it. The real deal, all the deal.
Well, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Well, give him one.
12-minute show. You representing America, Angel? All right. Bop, bop. Angel, give me a dance move for the camera. That's a thumbnail right there.
Dang!
No. Okay.
I think she want her red with the big
Together?
What we doing?
Gonna get the fireworks going.
This one says board 4.
the Nova version. You got the Dilla version. Hot dog!
Go however you do it. Come through, Jizzle.
Yo! Damn!
You been on camera though.
One time to fall out of there, man. You already know.
Occupancy of 4. Go through, Jizzle. They're gonna light one cord. Think you grown? Think you grown? You ain't grown. Alright people, this is supposed to be a 12-minute round. So this is gonna go for 12 minutes. Y'all ready?
People here, no last. I swear, I feel nice. But I just can't.
What we doing? What we doing? Hold on.
Oh, he killed it, bro. He killed it. That nigga killed it.
He killed it.
Oh, he killed it. That nigga killed it, boy. That was a lit show. That we call a lit show, man. Lit show. Oh, my God. Oh. Why? That was good, though. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Hey, I got the whole thing on drone now.
Yes, thank you. Oh man, you killed that bitch.
I got the whole thing. Come on.
He heard it. I was like, go, go. I was like, go. I'm like, go.
Watch out.
People, it was an epic night. Oh my God. My neighbors did it again. They did it again. They did it again. Amazing job, man. The fireworks is crazy. And the crazy part is they do this every year. Big up the neighbors. I'm not gonna lie. I'm exhausted. Tired. For cleaning up. Well, my wife cleaning up. And my daughter and everybody, all the ladies, shout out to them. They're cleaning up. I'm not really cleaning up, but we're cleaning up. Once we finish cleaning up, shower, bedtime. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, man. Happy 4th of July. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. All right? And if you're not from America and you don't know what 4th of July is, I'm pretty sure you know what 4th of July is. It's America's independence. Shout out to everybody that was tuning in. Shout out to everybody that was participating. It was a lot of people. Matter of fact, it was a lot of people in the neighborhood. I've never seen much people in the neighborhood. Majority of them do not live over here. But hey, hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Lando. I am the man. Doe.